Iba polong do ibadai menteri ketenat ki kam jengok kai perthai ke jela in sepli perdai ka otam kalendar na kebentak ki program ki ban salong ki batmu ban kenti ka nam jong jela ki beltip kum kawai na ki jaka jengok kai perthai hakari kawai na kita program ka megha kayak fest ka balayai ap mi lenti bha kan sedang nadu khat al tarik hadu khat sal tarik ubnai risau hari boy district hadin jong kani en board pat da ke shillong literary Festival kaban sedang nadu khasal tarik hadu khandri tarik nai wing kabalalong kawai ni ke program ki blakring ye ki pajba ki snam ki bladam sa kawai pat kita masa ka paunam ka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival kabalakmi lenti ban kring ki nongwan jungok kai kan sedang nadu khatnyo tarik hadu khat khandai tarik nai wing ban penchong shit show ye ka ayam lek men an penlong ru ye ka tamasa megang festival bat ka winter tales festival hau nai nai wing ban wan ra ye ka jinglong jiman ka bashong shit bat ka ban pen inam ye ki jing reus pa ka culture ha ka jela.
We will be having the Meghalaya Kayak Fest. Meghalaya Kayak Fest. At Riboy, which part of Riboy? Umtham. Riboy district. And this will be followed by the Shillong Literary Festival, Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. This will is scheduled to be held on November 17th till the 19th. That is immediately after the Literary Fest will be the Shillong Cherry Blossom Fest, November 17th till 19th. Also in the month of November, we will be hosting the Megong Festival